Hi everyone, I'm Sia. Today we found a car which is 2025 Nissan Altima. Today we will use K518 Pro and Lonsdor Smart Key to add a new key for this car. Now let's plug in the OBD to the car.
Now we generate Smart Key. Choose Nissan Altima, select 25 years later. Put the Lonsdor Smart Key into the card slot. Click Generate. OK. Generated successfully. No need to generate the next one. Click Cancel to return. Then we choose IMO and Remote. Choose Nissan. Select from Vehicle. Asia. Altima. Select L34 25 years later. Program Smart Key. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the hazard lights. OK. Close all doors. OK. Open the door once. OK. All keys will be deleted. Click OK. You can set 4 keys at most. OK. Press the start button. In 5 seconds, attach the key logo position to the start button. Ignition switch on. Click OK. Turn off the ignition. OK. Program complete. Continue to program the next one. Click OK. Press the start button. Use the logo position of the second key within 5 seconds. Attached to the start button. Ignition switch on. Click OK. Turn off the ignition. OK. Program complete. No need to program the next one. Click Cancel. The first key. Press the start button. Ignition switch on. Hear the buzzer go off a few times. Click OK. Program complete. OK. After successful programming, let's try to see if the key works normally. The first key. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The first key. Start the car successfully. The second key. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The second key. Start the car successfully. Let's try the remote again. The first key. Unlock. Lock. The second key. Unlock. Lock. Remote control is normal.
The original car key and the new key can start the car normally. The remote function is normally too. See you next time.